Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 20th in a series where I am taking the contents of 5 different advent calendars, opening them up and showing you the contents. I'm donating it to everything to a nonprofit, and I'll put information in the description box down below about this nonprofit. And day 20, I will start with the OPI calendar. This is called March in Uniform. It's a really pretty blue. I like this. I'm liking the grayer, more purpley blue ones. Next is the NYX calendar. This is an eyeshadow in Whipped Mocha. Ooh, that's pretty. Really pretty, matte, kind of neutral. Not really warm, not really cool. Pretty, I like that. Next is the Body Shop. And this is a bath bomb. This is a green tea bath bomb. Nice. Next is Feel Unique. This is nice. This is from a company called This Works. This is the Stress Check Roll-On. I've never used this. They have like a deep sleep one. I like this a lot. So, and I'm assuming that a lot of the people at the place that I'm donating it to are stressed out. So this will be nice to give someone a little bit of extra calm. And last but not least, Space and K. Votary, I don't know Votary. Toning Serum, Lemon and Neroli. Busy life leaves your skin dull, tired, and tense. This toning serum combines flower water and natural acids to freshen and renew your skin. Use it in the morning, after cleansing, and before your facial oil. So nice. Hopefully someone will enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching. I am really enjoying filming this, and I'm enjoying the idea of giving all this stuff away to people. So thank you for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.